One way to make concrete stronger is to pre-tension it. And what that means is to put a steel reinforcing bar inside the concrete, which is tenser than the concrete is at the current state, such that when you release the tension, the concrete becomes compressed. And this is good because concrete is really good for compression, but very bad for tension. And it's just because of its structural properties. So what you want to do is get it as compressed as possible in every single situation. But sometimes concrete is under tension in, say, any kind of cantilever structure. If this is hanging out by itself, it's going to be pushed down and there will be tension on this top section right here. So what you do for pre-tension concrete is, imagine you build some kind of structure here and you have a steel bar that is held out in midair with kind of screws on the sides so that you can make this really tense. So this is very taut. And then from here you pour concrete in a formwork right here. So this is all concrete. And in 3D this will just be some kind of block like this. So the concrete is poured and then you tighten this even more so that you have concrete resting here normally, but then here inside is rebar, which is getting tighter and tighter. And then you lock it in place, cut it off, and the second you cut it off, then think about if you have a spring and you pull it apart, then it's trying to pull you inwards. It's trying to pull whatever is holding it inwards. So the second you release that, then suddenly these sides are going to push inwards really hard because they're trying to make that rebar less tense, because like an elastic material, if you stretch a rubber band, it's going to want to come back in. So this is trying to come back in, but at the same time this concrete has set itself. It's really hard. So it starts to push itself out because it's being compressed. But then compression is a very good thing here. So it might seem non-intuitive at first, but the term pre-tensioning is actually causing extra compression in the concrete.